Hi, I'm Shaman, and I want to talk to you about Philo. It's a great alternative to cable and other high-priced TV services. For just $25 a month, you get over 70 top cable channels like HGTV, History, Lifetime, Discovery, and more. You get over 70,000 on-demand titles and unlimited DVR with 1 year of storage. They don't offer sports, local channels, or most major cable news networks. That's how they keep their prices low. It's worth exploring because what you get for the price can't be beat, and they offer a 7-day free trial, so you have nothing to lose. You can stream Philo on all major platforms: iOS, Android, Fire TV, Roku, Chromecast, and more. So now let me show you how it works. So this is the homepage of Philo. On here, you're going to see recommended shows that you may like based off your viewing history. You're going to see shows that you have previously watched, and it's going to ask if you want to continue watching them or keep watching them. And then you're also going to see shows that you have saved. That's like your DVR. I'll get into that in a moment. And it's going to show new episodes, trending. It shows a lot of information, bingeable series, and it goes on and on. I'm going to scroll up to the top here. If you want to go to the guide, you hit the guide button at the top left-hand corner, and then you're going to see all of the channels that it has in alphabetical order. So it's going to start with A&E, and then it's going to go down to AccuWeather, AMC, and it's going to continue going down. So I actually am going to click on, let's just say, Clio TV right here. Now when I go in there, I'm going to have a few options. I'm going to have the option to save it, and if I save it, that's going to be using the DVR feature. So that show is going to be on my saved list of shows, and every time an episode airs, it's going to be recorded, and I will have that in my DVR recordings for 1 year. And it's going to also show you what season it is and what episode it is. So if I click episodes, it's going to show seasons, and it's going to show videos that are on demand on the left. I can view these because they're on demand. And the videos that are on the right of this line, this thin line here that says upcoming, are the shows that are actually coming later. They're going to be played later. Like for instance, this is going to be played Friday. This is going to be played Saturday. And if you scroll down, it'll actually show related shows and celebrating women or whatever types of things are going on, they will have on the bottom here. So if I wanted to click on one of these episodes, I can click it and then I can start playing it. So let's click right here. Then I can just click play and it will start playing, but I'm not going to play it for copyright reasons. Now I'm back to the guide. Now if I click something that's live, as you can see that was live, it would have played then. Now and also at the top you can see it says action, comedy, crime, drama, documentary, so you can browse by categories. I'm going to come back to the top again, and I'm going to click on top playable. So this is popular things. These are new shows that are listed by the networks. So you can see BBC America, BBC News, BET Heard, and there's a whole lot of other networks and popular shows that are on here. So if you click to the right of that, it says saved. Now these are shows that I actually watch. So these are all shows that I've saved. So this is in the DVR. So if I click on one of these shows here, it will actually show all of the seasons, all of the recordings, or everything. And similar to what I was showing before, it'll actually show things that are already in the DVR. So I can click on these and I can play them. Now if you see a check mark with a blue circle around it, that means I've already played that episode all the way through. So that's a neat feature. It lets you know what you've already played. And then again, on the right, it will show upcoming episodes here. So when you scroll down, you see the related, and you see some new episodes this week of shows that they think you may like. I'm going to go back, and I am going to click on this smiling face up here in the upper right-hand corner. So when I click on there, you can actually come down to settings, and then you can change information like your account sign-in information on the phone number that's used, and it gives information about how many devices you're signed into. When you scroll beneath that, it says preferences, and then it says start channel playback from live. So I have that checked because you can see it's checked right there. So what that means is when I go to the guide and I click on a program that I want to watch, it's gonna show up from the position that it's in on live TV. Now, if I uncheck that, it's going to actually start the show over from the very beginning. But I like to watch things live, so I keep that checked. I'm going to click up here, and then I'm going to go down to switch profiles, and then you can see a list of profiles, and you can actually have up to 10 profiles, which is nice because that's quite a bit. And you can actually create a guest profile. So if you want to create a new profile, you click the plus sign, and then you follow the steps and you enter the information, and that's how you will create that profile. So if I wanted to switch to someone else in my family, I would just switch and click. And I clicked on another profile. So now this is going to be all tailored to that profile. So that's how you use Philo. If this video was helpful, give it a like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you'll be notified when I drop new videos. I'll catch you on the next one.